Peace, peace, peace. Why my sign turn, man? Wind, what is you doing? Show my sign, shoe. Peace, peace, peace. Oh, I just love it. I love it. Hey, new friend. How you doing? Good to see ya. It is beautiful over at 357 Gardening. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, 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 hey. Let's get into the video. I hope you are well. I hope you are feeling blessed, highly favored. I hope you are feeling great as I walk through this beautiful garden of mine that seems to be making me fall in love more and more. It's giving me lots of food. It's blessing me with these beautiful blooms. Let's see what we got going on today, y'all. Y'all know I always pick the perfect time to come out and record. Y'all have a nice flight wherever y'all going. Bye. So it literally rained maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. It was so quick. I hope it doesn't rain again, but we'll see. Because I didn't have any rain on the forecast. But that's how Arizona is. Okay. Peace, peace, peace. Welcome back to 357 Gardening, where we live, laugh, and garden every day. I'm AnQuisha. I'm a container gardener here in Zone 9B, Arizona, and we are trying to master growing our own food. So, as you can see, I was moving some plants and I just got attacked by a fly or something. I don't know. I got a new hat that I found at a beautiful big thrift store. Okay, shout out to my friend for taking me. And I found some decor for the garden since it's fall. So I put a few decors in the garden, you know. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Leave me a like, comment, and let me know what zone you're in. And don't forget to share if you want. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're notified when we upload more videos. There is a few things I saw that could be ready. I checked the corn. There's one corn. I checked a few of them in the front and only one was ready. And I poked my finger through the corn. It's juicy. I'm harvesting this corn before I get ready for work. And I think the pumpkin is ready. We're gonna check and make sure. If not, we're not gonna harvest the pumpkin. It's orange, but I can't tell if the tendrils are brown and wilted away. I'm gonna have to dig in there. I got my harvest basket, my gloves, my pruners, and I'm gonna try my best to get this Roma tomato in the garden. I got it from the big box store and it was on sale, so I grabbed it because all of my tomatoes in the garden are very tiny. So I'm gonna take out the large cherry tomato that I sowed on September 3rd and put this in the self-watering Vigo instead because my cherry tomato is very, very small and I want tomatoes before our frost comes. So that's why I picked this up. And shout out to my friend Naomi. She got me this beautiful strawberry basket from the big box store. So if I have time, I am going to up pot this into this pot right here. This will be my strawberry pot. Let's get into it, soil friends. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna harvest the one corn that I saw in the front. I'm gonna put on my gloves because there was bugs all over the corn when I was checking it. So you can see where I'm harvesting from. Excuse me. So we're gonna get, let's see here, this one right here. Looking out where my finger is at. Can y'all see it? Or am I in the way? So right here, this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice pull. And let y'all see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 357 gardening grew corn. Don't you better not cry, AnQuisha. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the basket. And let me just make sure this one next to it, because I didn't see it. I'm gonna make sure that it's not red. It does seem pretty small. No, it's not red. Okay, and then all the other ones that I checked. If it's not open, okay, no, that's not real. Okay, none of these in the front are ready. So let's go to the back. And then we'll come back and check and see if that pumpkin is ready. And I want y'all to see when that plane passes. Okay, I'm gonna be going through this little field. That's what I've been calling it, a little field. So, yeah, I can tell that some of them don't have the brown silks at the top. So I'm assuming that's a really good sign that it's not ready. Some of them have these brown silks, but they're not ready. Is this one ready? Oh, I think this one's ready. I'm gonna poke my finger through it and see. That one didn't really push out juice, but those are... Ooh, it's milky. You're coming on with me, baby. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, it's so cute. And then check this. Okay, that's not ready. Let's get in here. I'm gonna get in here and try not to hurt anything. Yeah. Or like really grown. Okay. It's hiding in there. I'm gonna see if I see signs that it's ready. Oh, I should come and harvest the sunflower seeds. Okay, so look, I found round tendrils. Buenos dias. So the tendrils closest to the vine are all wilted. So I'm going to harvest it. Oh, I'm too close to the screen. Oh, no, wow, no. It's so cool. That is the pumpkin. All right. I think I want to harvest some squash blossoms. Oh, those bees are everywhere. Look. He's going from blossom to blossom. I didn't even cut the leaves back. I was so excited. Okay. Oh, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that sunflower because it's loaded with seeds. They all got striped green and nice. Why is that so beautiful? Isn't that so beautiful? Once you wipe all the good stuff off, it's more greatness waiting for you to harvest. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. So you can eat those as a snack. Or save them to plant again. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to uppot the strawberries and this tomato plant. So let's start over here. So let y'all see overall what I'm working with. Thank you for the... That was a large cherry tomato too, so we're gonna plant these tomato paste, Laroma 3 tomatoes, into the self-watering beagle. I'm gonna try to bury it so it's ooh, I should have mulched up my stackables. Why didn't I do that? I'm thinking. I've been walking around this since I had a DC. Trying to create like a mini salad bar using the stackables from Dollar Tree. And then I'm treating myself. I'm buying for the garden out of my earned money. I'm going to get us the green stalk. I'm going to try my best to get that in the garden before the end of the year. I want 1 or 2. I don't think I should go over and get more than 2. And they're pretty pricey. They got a sale going on. I hope I can make the sale. They got really sweet deals right now for those green stalks. I saw some as low as 65. I was like, okay, you are talking to me now. You're in my budget now. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And, let's see how these roots are looking. One thing I know that I need to do as a gardener, especially starting seeds, is making sure I'm using the right soil when I'm starting the seeds. So I think like, now correct me if I'm wrong, I think seeds need to be started in something light, you know, like the cocoa core, but not compost. And that's what I've been doing a lot, like for the last 5 years. I have always started mine in compost, and I don't think that's a good idea. At least, sift out the compost so it's not packed with sticks and all these other things, rocks and stuff, because you want seedlings to start off growing like light soil. You know, you don't want the roots getting wrapped around sticks and stones. So I'm just gonna take off the bottom leaves or stems. I just moved the roots around a little bit at the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and I want it deeper than that. So let me yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, so I took off those bottom leaves and pretty much buried it to the top. So that's how I'm planting my tomatoes. This is a Roma, so it should do really well. I'm gonna get some more mulch. The soil is already pretty much moist. It still has water in there. I can tell by the little water meter right there. So let me get some mulch and we'll be done. So pretty, look, the garden, and the sun is just on the garden. It's so pretty. I think they're cucumbers. I don't know why they look like that. I'm gonna cut them open though and see what the inside looks like. So this is what I harvested since today is Wednesday. So I just been filling up the basket since the weekend, and I got some okra in there, squash, eggplants, and those humongous cucumbers. And then here is today's harvest: our pumpkin, sunflower seeds, corn, and gray zucchini squash. So I'm very proud of all the hard work that I've been doing here at 357 Gardening. And I have so many, like I have something super exciting. I can't talk about it yet. I have to wait, but I will keep y'all in the loop because I just don't want to say something and then it doesn't happen. I don't want anybody cursing me behind these screens, these phone screens or computer screens, because monitoring spirits are real. People get jealous, okay? Envy is real. And I hate to use those words, but it is what it is. I don't have much, and I always say that. Why would someone be jealous of me? My spirit, my smile, my personality, my voice, so many other factors. It doesn't matter how rich or poor I am, somebody will be jealous of you, okay? And so I just wanted to share that. Here's my harvest for today, and here's my harvest since the weekend. So, oh my gosh! One other thing, okay? I didn't let y'all get a good look of the corn. So here's one. That husk is hiding the corn very well. So there's one. I'm about to tear you up. And then here's the other one that I didn't open all the way. So let's open it together and see how it looks. I'm not mad at these corns. They're not as big, but I'm not mad at them because I grew some corn. Okay, this one it's all right. It's looking a little crusty, but it's all right. So I'm definitely gonna let the other ones sit longer, but they're edible. I grew corn. If you enjoyed the video with me today, leave us a like. Subscribe if you love gardening content and growing food at home and homesteading and farming. And let me know what zone you're in. Comment and let me know where you're watching from. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. Till the next time, soil friends. Peace. You can't see my peace. Peace. All right.